Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to download GTA 5 freely on your PC and laptop, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that we can find two legitimate ways, which are Steam and the Rockstar games. So those two are a legitimate way if you want to download these games. So you can head over to each of them. And once you head over to each of them, if you want to download it for free, you can look out for the search at the top and type in GTA. Hit enter and find GTA 5, the one that you're trying to download. So the thing is, if you're trying to download it for free, it is not available for free. You can see the description and the visuals of the game available here. So you can also see we need to pay a certain amount right here. So if you're trying to look out for free for this game, it is not. It is a paid game right here. But usually on some occasions, you can find the game for an entire discount. And sometimes even on, Steam giveaways, you can find it for free. So you can look out for those kind of offers. And when you find it up, you can directly add it to your cart. And right now also we can see we have this much amount of discount available. We need to pay less than half price right now. So you can just go over and grab the offer right now and add it to cart. And once it is added to cart, you can view your cart. And then once you're okay with it, you can continue with the payment process. You can click on continue. And then you can select up your payment process, for example, PayPal, etc. Click on continue and just provide in your necessary details and purchase it. And once it is done, you should be able to download the file. You can look out for the exe file available and you can install it using the installer file and then just sign in with your account, and that should probably work out for you. So that is it, everybody. You may follow this process in order to do so. We hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.